As Diwali is at just right at the corner, so without sweet, our Diwali is always incomplete. So let's begin this Diwali special week with a sweet which is made up of semolina. The texture, the moistness, and also the color is similar to gulab jamun but made with just fine semolina and a twist of orange juice. It is an ideal dessert which can be made in no time with basic ingredients from your pantry with less hassle of crackling and breaking while deep frying. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's check the ingredients to make this recipe. And the ingredients are orange, clarified butter or ghee, green cardamom powder, sugar, almond chopped, milk and powder milk. With that, our semolina. First of all, let us take the orange and we need to make a juice out of it. For this, I am using 2 orange and a plastic hand juicer. With this juicer, juice out the orange and keep aside for the later part of the recipe. Now, on the other side, we will take a pan, add 1 cup of water and half cup of sugar. With it, add 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder. Then boil it in a medium-high flame until the water reduces to half. Once it comes to half, then slow down the flame and with the help of a strainer, strain the orange juice which we have made just now, and again boil it until it reduces to half. Once this comes to half, then remove it from the flame and keep on to the other side. Before moving to do the semolina balls, I want to inform you that you need to do this sugar syrup before making semolina balls, as after frying that semolina small balls, if it comes to room temperature, it won't absorb the sugar syrup. So you need to do this syrup and keep it on the other side once it is done. Now on the other side, take another pan, add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, then add half cup of semolina and fry it in a medium-high flame until it turns light brown. Though you need to stir it continuously or else it will burn from below, and this will take around 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you need to add 2 cups of milk gradually. If needed, you need to also add another 1 cup of milk and stir continuously until it forms like a dough. Once this semolina forms a dough-like structure, then remove it from the flame and place it on a mixing plate. After transferring this semolina into a mixing plate, then give a standing time of 10 to 15 minutes. After that, add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Now knead this like a dough, and once it becomes smooth enough, now we will make small balls. For that, in your hand apply clarified butter. After that, take small balls and give a shape. You can give any shape of your choice. Over here I am making small flat balls. After that, when I am done with this entire dough, we need to fry it. For this, in a pan, add 1 cup of oil, and once the oil heats up, slowly we will drop our cute little semolina ball and fry it in a medium-high flame until it turns golden from all the sides. I am pretty sure that these easy semolina sweets with a twist of orange juice will blow your guests as well as your family if you make this way and serve them. Though don't forget to mention in my comment section below how it turns up. After this semolina balls turns golden brown, remove it from the pan and immediately drop this into orange sugar syrup so that it absorbs this syrup and becomes very soft from inside. For this, you need to give a standing time for at least 30 minutes before serving it. Next, before serving this, check the softness of the sweet. You will see it turns out to be so soft from inside. Now it's time to serve on a serving plate and garnish it with some chopped almond or any other dry fruits of your choice, and enjoy this with your friends, family, guests, and definitely they will like it a lot. And if you think today's recipe is worth it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new recipe. Till then, bye bye.